Hi guys, this is K. Sivahari Prasanna Kumar, lecturer in Computer Science, DNR College, Bhimavaram. Today we have to discuss Information and Communication Technology 2, ICT 2. Now we going to learn about computer network and its types. First, what is a network? A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printers and CDs, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. The computer on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. Benefits of networking. Computer network provides the share data to resources, and it helps us in reducing the required number of devices. It provides us a platform to communicate with other users in network. It allows multiple users to work on a single project. It allows to store an centralized location. It allows us to implement the security policies. It allows to track monitor uses of resources. In this diagram contains following are the types of computer network: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. LAN, local area network, is a network that is confined to a relatively small area. It is generally limited to a geographic area such as writing a lab, school, or building. Computers connected to a network are broadly categorized as servers or workstations. Servers are generally not used by human directly, but rather run continuously to provide services to the other computers and their human users on the network. Services provided can include printing and faxing, software hosting, file storage and sharing, messaging, data storage and retrieval, complete access, it means security for the network resources and many others. Workstations are called such because they typically to have a human user which interacts with the network through them. Workstations were traditionally considered a desktop, consisting of a computer, keyboard, display and mouse, or laptop with the integrated keyboard, display and touchpad. With the advent of the tablet computer and the touchscreen devices such as iPad and iPhone, our definitions of workstation is quickly evolving to include those devices because of their ability to interact with the network and utilize network services. Servers tend to be more powerful than workstations, although configurations are guided by needs. For example, a group of servers might to be located in a secure area away from humans and only accessed through a network. In such cases, it would be common for the servers to operate without a dedicated display or keyboard. However, the size and speed of the servers processors, hard drive and main memory might dramatically to the cost of the system. On the other hand, a workstation might not need as much storage or working memory, but might require an expensive display to accommodate the needs of its user. Every computer on a network should be appropriately configured for its use. On single LAN, computers and servers may be connected by a cable or wirelessly. Wireless access to a wired network is made possible by wireless access points WPS. These WAP devices provide a bridge between computer and networks. A typical WAP might have the theoretical capacity to connect hundreds or even thousands of wireless users on a network, although practical capacity might be far less. Nearly always servers will be connected by a cables to the network because the cable connections remain the fastest. Workstations which are stationary are also usually connected by a cable to the network. Although cost of wireless adapters has dropped to the point that when installing workstations in an existing facility with writing, it can be easier and less expensive to use wireless for a desktop. Next one, MAN Metropolitan Area Network, simply called as MAN. Metropolitan area networks covers a large area than that of a LAN and smaller areas compared to WAN. WAN means wide area network. It connects two or more computers that are apart but resides in the same or different cities. It covers a large geographical area and may serve as an ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider. MAN is designed for customers who need a high speed connectivity. Speeds of MAN ranges in terms of Mbps. It's hard to design and maintain a metropolitan area network. The fault tolerance of a MAN is less and also there is more congestion in the network. It is costly and may or may not be owned by a single organization. The data transfer rate and the propagation delay of MAN is moderate. Devices used for transmission of data through MAN are modem and wire or cable. Example of MAN are the part of the telephone company network that can provide a high speed DSL line to the customer or the cable TV network in the city. And the next one, wide area network WAN. Wide area network is a computer network that extends over a large geographical area, although it might to be confined within the bounds of a state or country. A WAN could be a connection of LAN connecting to other LANs via telephone lines and radio waves and may be limited to an enterprise, a corporation or organization, or accessible to the public. The technology is high speed and relatively expensive. There are two types of WANs, switched WAN and point to point WAN. WAN is difficult to design and maintain, similar to a MAN. That fault tolerance of a WAN is less and there is more congestion in the network. A communication medium is used for a WAN is PSTN or satellite link. Due to long distance transmission, the noise and error tend to be more in WAN. WAN data rate is slow, about a tenth LAN speed, since it involves increased distance and increased number of servers and terminals, etc. Speed of WAN ranges from few kilobytes per second to megabytes per second. Propagation delay is one of the biggest problems faced here. Devices used for transmission of data through WAN are optic wires, microwaves and satellites. Example of a switched WAN is the asynchronous transfer mode ATM. Network and point to point WAN is a dial-up line that connects at a home computer to the internet. And next one, last one is personal area network, PAN. Personal area network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. Personal area network is used for connecting the computer devices of personal use is known as personal area network. Personal area network carried over a low powered short distance wireless network technology such as IRDA, wireless USB, Bluetooth or Zigbee. The reach of a WPN varies from a few centimeters to a few meters. Conclusion for different types of networks. There are many advantages of LAN over MAN and WAN, such as LANs provided excellent reliability, high data transmission rate, they can easily be managed, and shares peripheral devices too. Local area network cannot cover cities or towns, and for that metropolitan area network is needed, which can connect a city or a group of cities together. Further, for connecting country or a group of countries, one requires wide area networks. This is for network and its types. Thank you.